I want to put this big number into perspective. The census said sales of newly built homes jumped 17% compared to October. But October's read was the lowest in a year and a half. And November sales were down nearly 8% year over year. Now, several analysts who run these numbers themselves tell me their counts show a much weaker sales market in November and in December. The census numbers also have a huge margin of error on the November data, plus or minus 20%. And their report recommends looking at a 3-month average, which drops the number down below the 1-year average. Now, we know from the big public builders who recently reported earnings that sales weakened significantly at the end of the year. Now, the census did show a 12% drop in the median price of a home sold in November. Now, that part's huge. Builders are not exactly lowering prices by much, but they are a little, and that median likely shows that the bulk of the sales that are happening are for the cheapest homes that are available. Kelly?
Yeah, the latest anecdotes have been pretty awful. We had the Pulte, like you said, you mentioned the home builders the other day. Pending home sales were not good. Then there's a SoCal. Southern California home sales were down 20% in December to the lowest in 11 years.
Right. And in fact, new home sales in California fell. That was the only region of the country that saw a drop in new home sales month to month. And that's because, and you have a lot of builders out in the West as well. West, also the priciest region. Again, it's that affordability issue. I cannot say it enough.
Yeah, well, I'm just glad that you're... You know, yesterday, I couldn't believe you were outside, Diana.
Today, I brought the house inside.
I
brought
think people need to understand, for
degrees.
you not to be in a neighborhood, it has to be like the worst day of the year.
This is the day. This is the day I took it inside.